Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on Mother Sukhan. Today I will be sharing with you a vegetarian recipe, a recipe of cauliflower, potatoes and peas. It's a rich and creamy recipe. It's super delicious and really easy to make. So let's get started. Now to make this recipe, I'm taking around one large cauliflower which I've cut into small florets. I washed it and I'm going to let it drain in a strainer. Similarly, I'm taking 5 medium-sized potatoes and I've cut it into bite-sized cubes, and I have washed it and I'm again going to let it drain in a strainer. Now here I'm taking 1 cup of frozen peas, green peas. You can take even fresh green peas. For spices, I've taken 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, quarter tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is always as per your taste. I'm taking 4 green chilies. You can actually take any number, there's not exact number. These are not spicy. And I'm taking 1 cup of liquid cooking cream. It can be any cream. And in a wok, I'm going to take enough oil to fry my vegetables. I'm going to start off with cauliflowers. I'm going to fry off my cauliflowers until they are really soft inside and yet crispy outside. So in order to make it crispy outside and soft inside, to make it soft inside, I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook. And when I open up, I'm going to dry up my oil. So here I'm covering up and I'm going to just let it cook for 2 minutes, so that you can see my finger there. Yeah, that's just telling you that you have to cook it for 2 minutes on medium to high flame. And after 2 minutes I'm going to cook. You can already make out that it is becoming softer. So just cook it for some more time until it turns to this. It's not exactly golden. I mean, you have to make sure that you don't dry it completely. It still has to be a little juicy inside. So I'm going to take it out in a strainer to drain out all the excess oil from that. And this is my fried cauliflower for you. After which I'm going to add in my potatoes and I'm going to fry them in the same process as I did my cauliflowers. I'm just going to coat it well, so that it's all coated in oil, and I just cover it and let it cook again for as much time, I think around as much time as you would need for you to make your potatoes soft. Now here I'm showing you my roasted cumin powder, which I'm going to add later when I will combine all my fried vegetables and the spices. This is my roasted cumin powder, which will go with the spices. Now open the lid and you see my potatoes are almost done. I'm just going to fry it a little bit more so that it gets evenly colored, and I'm going to strain it, take it out in a strainer. And again, the purpose is to strain out excess oil. So you don't want your dish to be oily, because it is anyway a rich dish, but you don't want it to be oily rich dish. It has to be right balance. So my fried vegetables and with the excess oil drained out, it'll taste absolutely delicious. So this is my fried potatoes and I'm going to keep it aside. And here goes my frozen peas. Now frozen peas are actually blanched and then frozen, so these are almost cooked. So these don't really take much time to get cooked. So at max I've given it just 2 minutes. I've just put it in hot oil and I've just waited for 2 minutes and just removed it. So remove your green peas, and with this all your vegetables will be fried. And now what you're going to do, you're going to remove all your excess oil, because you're not going to use so much of oil. So remove all the excess oil. I've taken a steel bowl and I'm just removing it there. And I'm going to take these spices, my chili flakes and my turmeric and salt, and I'm roasting it in really low flame. The idea is not to burn them, because if I take high flame, if I put the flame high, it's going to burn. So On a really low flame, I'm going to roast this. I'm adding in my vegetables one by one. In goes my green peas, and then I will add my cauliflower, and next I'm going to add my potatoes and mix it well. And here I'm also going to add my 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, which I showed you earlier. So this is where my this is already roasted, so I didn't have to add it in the oil because my cumin seeds was already roasted and those spices were not. So for that reason I did not add it together with the other spices. So now just mix it well. It's because all the vegetables are actually cooked, so you just mix it well. And at this point I'm going to add my green chilies. These green chilies are as you can see, these are not your regular green chilies. These are slightly bigger in size, these are thicker in size, and these are milder. These are not spicy, so it kind of gives your dish a unique flavor. So I really recommend you to add these. It makes your dish look good, and it adds a beautiful taste to it. You can actually eat your dish as it is, it's ready by now, but adding cream is what is going to make it rich, is what is going to make it shahi. By shahi you mean royal. So this is what it is. Add a cup of cream to this, cream, a really heavy cream. You can, if you do not have cream, you can actually add milk, although milk will not give you the same results, but yes, it will still be good. Full fat milk. Add it and let it cover it and let it cook for some 2 to 3 minutes, and you see it will absorb these potatoes, these vegetables will absorb that. And this is all. You just mix it and get ready to serve. This is how your dish is ready. It is so simple, it's absolutely delicious, it's really wonderful. I mean, it's mild, it's not really spicy, and your children really would love it. Children have so much difficulty in making them eat these things, but really this dish is really amazing for them. I hope you will try this, and you will please let me know in the comments section how did you like it, if you've tried it or not. You can follow me on my Instagram. You can the link of which is given in my description box. The written recipe is also available on my website, the link of which I will leave it down in my description box. So do check them out. You can find all my recipes available on my website, the written recipe. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, that's when I know and I get encouraged. I know that you like it and you're liking my recipes, and if there is any modification that you want or anything particular that you want to see, do let me know in the comment section. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.